Starting right now, located at the lower level demonstration area. Hi guys, again, and welcome to the cow's eye dissection. So my name is Silva and I'm an explainer here, and I'll be doing this dissection for you guys today. So this should take around 20 to 25 minutes, and throughout we're going to dissect the eye, cut it open, and try and look at all of the different parts and compare them to our eye, because cow's eyes are really similar to our eyes. But obviously there are some differences. The first difference is probably the size, which is something you guys noticed. The cow's eye is really big, right? And why is that good if we're going to be cutting it open to try and look at all the parts? Well, because the cow's eye is really big,
why
we're going to be able to see all the parts really clearly, right? And another reason why we're using the cow's eye is that they're very cheap and they're really easy to get. So by show of hands, how many of you guys like beef or eat beef?
Ты любишь корову кушать? Любишь?
Who likes burgers?
А бургер?
Alright, so we all like beef, right? Or
язык коровий. А, да, я тоже люблю язык. Я думаю, что нет.
Right? Some people do, believe it or not, but it's really rare. Most of us don't, which is why we have all these eyeballs available for dissection and for learning about eyes. So now that we have our eyeball out of the package, we're going to go ahead and get started, okay? The first thing I want to talk about is the stuff on the back. So you guys see there's a lot of squishiness. You guys were saying it's really squishy when you were touching it before. So can anyone tell me or take a guess what all of this squishy stuff might be? Fat. Yeah, it's fat. So if you guys like cook a lot or deal with me a lot, you might notice that it's a lot of fat that's on the eye. So can anyone guess why there is so much fat?
Зачем столько жира на глазу?
Protection. Yeah, so this is the back of the eye.
Да, защищать глаз.
And it's going to protect it from the skull, right? So if your eye's kind of bouncing around in your eye socket, it might get bruised. So all this fat, I'm going to try and actually cut some of this fat off. All this fat, it's kind of like a pillow. It's going to cushion the eye and keep it safe. So when it's moving around, it doesn't get bruised or anything like that. Yes, there's a lot of fat. So I'll try to get rid of some of that as well. Some more fat. And now we're going to move on to the next part. So we said fat is like really kind of light and squishy, right? But if you guys take a look, there's also this brown kind of stuff in there. And this is kind of like the opposite of fat, not really, but I don't know if that's a good hint. People go to the gym to do what? Muscle, yeah. So the eye has a lot of muscles because muscles help us move around, right? And the muscles in the eye are going to help the eye move around. So cows have a total of 4 muscles. It means they can move their eyes in 4 different directions. Would anyone like to take a guess?
А в какие стороны глаз двигается?
They have 4 muscles and they can move in 4 different directions.
Вверх, вниз, в сторону, да.
Yeah, up, down, left, and right. I said point. Up, down, left, right. 4 directions, right? But humans, we have 2 extra muscles, so we can move our eyes up, down, left, right, and 2 more. And I saw you were doing the rolling thing. Yeah, so we can roll our eyes, right? We can roll our eyes clockwise or counterclockwise, but cows can't do that because they only have 4 muscles. Okay, so now we know a little bit about the fat and the muscle, and we're going to go ahead and cut into this front part of the eye so that we can try to see what it looks like on the inside. So I'm actually going to stand up, and we're going to make this first cut, okay? Alright, we've made that first cut, and then we're going to go all the way around so that we can open it up.
Нет, почему? Тебе страшно? Это же мертвый глаз, это же не живой глаз.
And if you guys see, there's a lot of sort of juices coming out of the eye. That's very important. We're going to talk about that a little bit later. But it might be kind of hard to see. Alright, so now that we have that open, I'm going to try to keep all the bottom layers in place so that we can talk about them later. This is what it looks like on the inside. But this very outer layer is what I want us to talk about first. So this is the cornea of the eye, and if you guys look at the cornea from the side, is it flat or is it a little bit curved? It's curved, right? If you guys look at the person next to you while they're looking straight ahead, so someone looks straight and then you look at their eyes from the side. Are their eyes flat or are they curved? They're also curved, right? That's important because this curve is going to focus light as it enters the eye. So this curve allows you to focus light, basically. But something else about the cornea, since it's the very outer layer, do you guys think it can be weak or it has to be really strong? It has to be really strong, right? That's because it is made up of interlocking fibers that make it really strong. So I want you guys to try something out with your hands. Take your hands and cross them like this.
Ручки, руки. Смотри, как
And
она
then you're
делает.
going to pull them apart. Was that easy? Pretty easy, right? What if you make little hooks out of your hands and interlock them like this? And now try to pull them apart. Is it easier or harder? It's harder, right? That's like the fibers in your cornea that make it really, really strong. So what I'm going to try to do now is fold the cornea in half and make a tiny little cut right in the middle. And then I'm going to try to pull it apart. And you guys can see that there's a hole, but you can't really rip it because it's so strong. And that's important because it's going to protect, right, from stuff from going into your eye. And what I can even do is I can take a little scalpel-like thing, and if you guys stay really quiet and pay attention, you might be able to hear these crunching noises. You guys hear anything? Yeah, so those crunching noises are those interlocking fibers that break. And if you guys want in the end, I can bring this closer so you can try to hear it. But those crunching sounds are those fibers that break. Alright, so this is the cornea, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the side, because now we're going to talk about all this like watery stuff that came out. So this is the aqueous humor, and it's basically just water with protein, and it's going to nourish your eye. But it also has a cycle of 4 to 6 hours. So every 4 hours you get rid of all this and you get a fresh batch, and that nourishes your eye and keeps it like healthy. But sometimes this fluid can build up and not cycle through, and it can cause an eye disease known as glaucoma. So glaucoma happens when all this fluid builds up inside the eye, and it puts a lot of pressure on the cornea as well as on nerve fibers that cause blurriness, vision, and pain. But don't worry, there are a few different ways they can treat it. They can do eye drops or oral medication, or they can also do surgery. And what they do in surgery, I'm going to show you guys right now, is they take this next part, which is the iris. Yeah, and then you can really cut into the iris and they can drain out that fluid so that it's not building up.